Hi, I'm Sam Moser, and this is the truck bed camper that I'm building. Well, more like the skeleton of it. So this video is the first part of a series, and today we'll discuss the frame. First though, a little bit about the overall objectives for this build. So it's going to be a complete camper module that slides into the bed of my truck. Why build it? Well, we love camping and exploring the outdoors. When car camping, this will be a bit of an upgrade to our normal tent camping. It'll be super quick to set up, which leaves more time to enjoy the outdoors. The most notable part of the design is the pop-top roof. Inside, there's plenty of headroom. At its peak, the ceiling is about 4.5 foot above the floor, and then it tapers down to about 2 foot by your feet. In the travel position, it maintains a low profile to minimize wind resistance. It will also feature drawers that slide out the back, one for storage and one for a camp kitchen, but more details on the drawers will have to wait for a future video. Now, let's talk about the construction of it. The frame is primarily made from plywood studs, and the exterior faces are going to be skinned with a 5mm plywood. The studs are 2-inch strips cut from 3/4-inch plywood, connected using glue and pocket hole screws. Using strips of this size has allowed me to keep the frame very lightweight. All of the pieces of the frame you see here came from less than 2 full sheets of 3/4-inch plywood. It is quite strong already, and the plywood skin will add additional strength. One note though, is that a lot of plywood is not very suitable for making studs like this. I made sure to get high quality plywood, looking for sheets that had a decent number of plies and weren't warped. I am super excited about how the camper is coming along. If you have any questions about it, please ask them in the comments down below. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more videos like this as the build progresses. And most of all, thanks for watching. See you next time.